Quantum computers are like the wild and wacky cousins of classical computers. They're a bit weird and unpredictable, but they can do some pretty amazing things. Instead of using the boring old bits that classical computers use, quantum computers use qubits, which are like little magical particles that can be in multiple states at the same time. It's like Schrödinger's cat, but instead of being both alive and dead, the qubit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. It's like a computer that's always drunk and indecisive, but somehow still manages to get things done. The idea of quantum computing was first proposed by Richard Feynman, who was probably the mad scientist of physics. He realized that some problems were just too hard for classical computers to solve, but maybe, just maybe, quantum computers could do it. In the 1990s, some brilliant and brave scientists built the first rudimentary quantum computers using things like nuclear magnetic resonance and ion traps. And then, in 1994, Peter Shor discovered a quantum algorithm that could factor large numbers faster than any known classical algorithm. It was like the world's biggest game of Sudoku, and quantum computers were the new champions. Since then, quantum computing has continued to evolve, and we're just starting to scratch the surface of what these wacky computers can do. Who knows what kind of crazy things we'll be able to accomplish with them in the future? Maybe they'll even be able to solve the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything. Application. Quantum computing is like a Swiss Army knife for problem solving. It's got all kinds of crazy tools that can help us tackle some of the toughest challenges out there. For example, quantum computers can help us keep our secrets safe from prying eyes. They're like the ultimate spy gadget, able to encrypt and decrypt information faster and more securely than any classical computer. It's like having a James Bond computer that can hack into any system and leave no trace. But that's not all. Quantum computers are also great at solving optimization problems. You know those annoying puzzles where you have to find the most efficient way to do something? Like trying to figure out the shortest path between a bunch of cities? Well, quantum computers can do it in a snap. It's like having a personal GPS that always knows the fastest route, even in rush hour traffic. And if you're into science, quantum computers are like a dream come true. They can help us simulate and study some of the most complex and mind-bending phenomena in the universe, like black holes and quantum mechanics. It's like having a virtual lab where you can experiment with the laws of physics and see what happens. So whether you're a spy, a puzzle solver, or a science nerd, quantum computers have something for everyone. Who knows what other crazy applications we'll discover as we continue to explore this exciting new field of computing. Quantum computer basics. Quantum computing is like having a computer that's so weird, it makes your grandpa's 1980s desktop look like a stone tablet. Instead of using classical bits that can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, like a two-faced coin that can't make up its mind. It's like having a pet that's really high maintenance. Qubits are super delicate and need to be kept at near absolute zero temperatures, like they're in the world's most expensive refrigerator. They also require special algorithms to be programmed, like a secret code only quantum physicists can decipher. But the payoff is worth it. Quantum computers can solve problems that would take a classical computer the age of the universe to crack. It's like having a superpower that allows you to calculate complex simulations and optimize logistics in the blink of an eye. But wait, there's more! Quantum computing also has the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography and drug discovery. It's like having a tool that can unlock secrets and cure diseases, all while being as finicky as a cat that only wants to be petted a certain way. Future of quantum computer. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize a number of fields, from cybersecurity to drug discovery. In the future, we could see quantum computers being used to solve some of the world's most complex problems. One area where quantum computing could have a big impact is cryptography. Quantum computers have the ability to crack many of the encryption techniques that are currently used to protect sensitive information. However, they can also be used to create new forms of encryption that are virtually unbreakable. Another area where quantum computing could make a big difference is in drug discovery. Quantum computers could be used to simulate the behavior of molecules at a level of detail that is impossible for classical computers. This could help researchers develop new drugs more quickly and accurately. quantum computing could also be used to optimize logistics and supply chains, allowing companies to deliver goods more efficiently and with less waste. It could help researchers solve complex optimization problems in fields like transportation, energy, and finance. Finally, quantum computing could be used to simulate complex systems like climate models, helping scientists better understand the impact of climate change and develop strategies to mitigate its effects. Of course, there are still many challenges to be overcome before quantum computing becomes a mainstream technology. But as researchers continue to make progress in developing more powerful and reliable quantum computers, we can expect to see the impact of this technology grow in the years to come. Conclusion. In conclusion, quantum computing is like a wild card that has the potential to change the game in many different fields. It's like having a magic wand that can solve problems that were once thought to be unsolvable, and create opportunities that were once thought to be impossible. As we look to the future, we can expect to see quantum computing continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's like having a superhero on our team, fighting for us to unlock the secrets of the universe and cure the most challenging diseases. So, if you're fascinated by the weirdness and quirkiness of quantum computing, join the club. It's a thrilling and exciting journey that promises to take us to places we never thought possible. Thanks for watching this video on the basics of quantum computing. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and colleagues. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in quantum computing, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more videos on this fascinating and rapidly evolving field in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.